Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today is a video for all the people who have suffered constipation and because of their inability to get rid of it, they now rely on various kind of quick fixes. So watch this video till the end to help people who've been chronically suffering from constipation, and like I always say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So now there are people who rely on various kind of laxatives to clear their stomach on regular basis. वैसे तो बहुत ही आसान है कि रात को खाया और सुबह पेट साफ, right? But there are many problems with long term laxative usage. नंबर वन, डिपेंडेंसी. अगर आप ये रेगुलरली ले रहे हैं तो आप इसके बिना अपना स्टमक क्लियर कर ही नहीं सकते. You need to have this because it becomes addicted to it like any other addiction. Number two, larger doses are needed to do the job over time क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी को कम डोज की आदत पड़ जाती है and it stops responding to a lower dose. जैसे आज एक तो एक महीने बाद दो, फिर चार, फिर छः. Number three, electrolyte imbalance, which can affect heart and colon health. क्योंकि आप जो रोज ये खा रहे हैं, sometimes you end up losing the water of the body as well. Also, it leads to severe dehydration because आप water lose कर रहे हैं body का, which leads to extreme weakness and even tremors in some cases. Next one is melanosis coli. Now, this is damage to the cells in the intestinal lining, which causes cell death. The damaged cells of the wall appear as darkly pigmented cells called melanosis coli. Also, organ damage such as lazy bowels, bowel infection, kidney and liver damage are seen in longer usage of laxative. So, instead of that, try to get to the root cause and see what is the issue. Now, a poor lifestyle with bad dietary habits and no exercise can cause constipation. Stress can cause constipation. Bad sleep cycle can cause constipation. Certain medications can also cause constipation. So, what you can do, you don't have to take laxatives. नंबर वन, दिन में 3 से 4 लीटर पानी ज़रूर पिएं. ये बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है. अपने हर मील में फाइबर ज़रूर लें, जैसे कि सैलड, होल ग्रेन्स रोटी, दाल्स एंड लॉट ऑफ वैरायटी इन योर मील्स. नंबर थ्री, मूवमेंट. मूवमेंट बहुत ही ज़रूरी है क्योंकि अगर आपकी बॉडी मूव नहीं करेगी देन दैट विल रिस्ट्रिक्ट योर पेरिस्टाल्टिक मूवमेंट एंड देयर बाय क्रिएट एन इरेगुलर बाउल मूवमेंट. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लेजी बाउल सिंड्रोम. Number four, work on your stress levels. Very important. Stress interferes with the nerves in your digestive tract that regulates your digestion, slowing down food movement. And when you're stressed, your body releases hormones that affects the whole bodily processes, including bowel movement. So अब आपको समझ आया, आप सब कुछ ठीक कर रहे थे लेकिन फिर भी constipation हो रहा था. Stress can also cause you to tense your muscles, which can make constipation worse. Stress can also cause inflammation to occur in your GI tract, मतलब जो आपका digestion system होता है, digestive tract होता है, increasing constipation and worsening existing inflammatory conditions you may have. Next, number 5, my Ramban is use sabja seeds, which is also called basil seeds. Now, this is a very good source of insoluble fiber and helps create bulk in your stool. This helps you to be able to have regular bowel movement. So follow a good lifestyle and movement to your daily routine. Work on your stress and say goodbye to constipation and laxatives. Like always, I will close my video with a reminder of not forgetting to like, share and subscribe. We'll talk again. Bye-bye.